Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play good songs on ukulele. First, let's cover the absolute essentials. Holding your ukulele correctly is key for comfort and sound. You'll want to learn the four foundational open chords: C, G, a minor, and F. These are the building blocks for countless tunes. Practice a basic down-up strumming pattern to get a feel for rhythm and timing. This initial step is crucial for your ukulele journey. Now that you know the basic chords, let's master them. Focus on transitioning smoothly and quickly between chords like C to G or F to a minor. Use a reliable chord chart to expand your repertoire and learn new shapes. It's vital that each string rings out clearly when you form a chord, so adjust your finger pressure. Consistent practice will make these transitions feel natural and effortless. Beyond just chords, strumming is where your ukulele truly comes alive. Experiment with different strumming patterns, like down, down, up, down, up, to add variety to your playing. A metronome is your best friend for maintaining a consistent tempo, helping you stay in time. Practice both downstrokes and upstrokes to create a full, dynamic sound. This rhythmic foundation is essential for playing engaging songs. You're ready to play your first songs. Start with tunes that use just 2 or 3 of the chords you've learned. There are thousands of free ukulele tabs and chord sheets available online for popular songs. Dedicate at least 15 minutes every single day to practice. Consistency is far more important than long, infrequent sessions. Soon, you'll be playing many good songs with confidence and joy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.